Hello. It's been a while since I've recorded any of my flights, but I spent the last few months transitioning to Cirrus aircraft. I started with the SR20 and moved on to the SR22T. I've taken flights with friends and family to Atlanta, Brownsville, Lubbock, and other cities to name a few. Learn how to use things like oxygen and fly in the upper teens. Today I'm taking a quick flight from Addison Airport to McKinney Airport to do some touch and goes. For those not familiar with the Addison area, they don't allow touch and go, so I have to make a short trip over to a nearby airport. Unfortunately, my windshield GoPro didn't record, so all you have is this cockpit view. But if you'd like to, come along for the ride.
Then Thump, then Raven, then Direct. Glide maintain 2000. Expect flight level 410, 10 minutes after departure. Departure frequency 124.3.
Doors are good.
Squawk 34.
Cab handle is removed. Seatbelts are good. Air conditioner.
I'm up for it.
It feels a little better.
And say it again.
Fuel quantities confirmed. Fuel selector on the fullest tank. Fuel pump is on boost.
Read back.
Extra full rich. Flaps 50. Confirmed.
Exit.
Addison Tower, Cirrus 615 Lima Juliet, hold short 16 in sequence.
Cirrus 615 Lima Juliet, Addison Tower in sequence. Number 6 Mike Charlie, turn left at Foxtrot without delay, taxi fast, hold short, contact ground point 6.
Let's Foxtrot without delay, we'll go to ground point 6, 6 minutes drive.
Busy day out here. So, haven't had a chance to chat a little bit, but taking first recorded flight in the Cirrus. I've been flying the Cirrus for a little while, but haven't had a chance to record a video. Figured I'd give it a shot, do some quick touch and goes over at McKinney, and then back.
16 clear landing, we got the traffic, Romeo Charlie.
Thought it was going to be a quick flight, but apparently everybody else thought it'd be a quick flight too, so a lot of people out here today. My buddy over here, Israel, doing a little IPC work.
Cirrus 615 Lima Juliet, runway 16, clear for takeoff.
Clear for takeoff, 615 Lima Juliet, 16.
Alright, lights on. We're clear on the right. Heels to the floor, mixture full rich. Takeoff power is set. Airspeed's alive. Looking for 77.
Addison Tower, thrust 532.
There's 77, rotate.
Holding short at 16 for East VFR.
And what's that, thrust 532?
90 knots, positive rate.
Thrust 532,
Gear up.
runway 16, clear for takeoff.
16 clear for takeoff, thrust 532.
We'll turn out at 1,000. We're trying not to use autopilot today, just to get ourselves acclimated again. Here's 1,000. Caps available.
Tower, which way is that plane ahead of me going? 615 Lima Juliet.
And following Juliet, looks like eastbound. Let me ask. And thrust 551, traffic behind you is Cirrus. They're turning northeastbound behind you, similar altitude.
Okay, we're going to be departing about east-southeast.
Thrust 551, Roger.
Thank you.
Alright, there's 2,000. And we will pull the power. Slow her on down. Trim it out. Not going too fast today because, quite frankly, I'm not going that far. do that.
Is closed south of taxiway Bravo 5. Advise on initial contact. You have information uniform.
Uniform.
McKinney Tower, information Victor, time 2253, Zulu observation. 116011, visibility 10, sky conditions clear, temperature 16, dew point 0, altimeter 3025. Taxiway visual approach, runway 18 in use. No TAMs, taxiway Alpha 3 closed, taxiway Alpha 4 closed, taxiway Bravo closed south to taxiway Bravo 5. Advise on initial contact. You have information Victor.
Victor.
McKinney Tower, information Victor, time 2253, Zulu observation. 116011, visibility 10, sky conditions clear, temperature 16, dew point 0, altimeter 3025. Taxiway visual approach, runway 18 in use. No TAMs, taxiway Alpha 3 closed, taxiway Alpha 4 closed, taxiway Bravo closed south to taxiway Bravo 5. Advise on initial contact. You have information Victor.
Victor.
McKinney Tower, Cirrus 615 Lima Juliet, about 11 miles southwest of the field, inbound with Victor, request touch and goes.
Cirrus 615 Lima Juliet, McKinney Tower, continue for right downwind, runway 18.
Continue for right downwind from 18, 615 Lima Juliet.
Alright, starting to feel a little better here. Oxygen, we don't need a power level. We're just cruising here at a nice 130. Fuel pump is on. Mixture adjust will make it rich just a little bit. Things are a little fast on the short flights.
Cessna 7 Tango Juliet, runway 18 clear, touch and go.
Looking for the airport. I think I see it right there. Really, one of the biggest challenges I see, there's 75 there, I have is keeping this thing from rolling. It seems like my thumb may be kind of messing with the pitch trim and the roll trim at the same time and not meaning to. Something I got to work on. Anyway, we're about 5 miles away from McKinney. Just about to enter in their airspace. Quick short flight. And get the procedure in there. Activate approach. RNAV 18. Vectors. And activate. Flight plan. Menu. Activate.
Cirrus 5 Lima Juliet, you're number 3, looking for global traffic, joining a 5 mile straight in.
I think I see that traffic on the 5 mile straight in, 5 Lima Juliet number 3, 65 Lima Juliet.
Cirrus 5 Lima Juliet, caution wave turbulence, number 3, runway 18 clear, touch and go, then left close traffic.
18 cleared, touch and go, and on the go, left close traffic, 615 Lima Juliet. And traffic to follow for 615 Lima Juliet, is that about 1 o'clock right now?
Cirrus 5 Lima Juliet, affirmative, 3 mile final, 1,700 global.
Alright, we'll extend it on out. 5 Lima Juliet, thanks.
Cirrus 5 Lima Juliet, you can start a square turn to final now, spacing looks good.
Alright, starting the square turn now, 615 Lima Juliet, thanks.
First notch. Mixture's full rich.
Stay with us, Cessna ahead of us. Number 3, clear to touch and go. 7 Tango Juliet.
And last notch flaps. Looking for 85 knots. Looking good.
Thrust 540, traffic at your 11 o'clock, 3 miles northbound, 2,700 of Falcon, that's who you can plan to follow.
Traffic in sight, and we will follow that thrust 540.
Oh, beautiful. Nice touchdown. Takeoff power is set. Airspeed's alive. 77 rotate. Flaps up.
Cirrus 5 Lima Juliet, extend upwind.
Extending the upwind, 5 Lima Juliet.
Caps available.
Cirrus 5 Lima Juliet, make right close traffic.
Right close traffic, 5 Lima Juliet.
Everything is looking good. Don't want to gain the altitude here.
Cirrus 5 Lima Juliet, continue downwind.
Continue, 5 Lima Juliet.
Cirrus 5 Lima Juliet, off your right wing is a Falcon.
In sight, 5 Lima Juliet.
Cirrus 5 Lima Juliet, caution wake turbulence, follow them, number 2, runway 18, clear, touch and go.
Number 2, clear touch and go, 18615 Lima Juliet. And McKinney Tower, 615 Lima Juliet, hitting the Addison after this touch and go.
Roger.
Very nice. Ready to catch it. Flaps 50. Takeoff power is set. Looking for 77. There's 77 rotate.
Cirrus 5 Lima Juliet, your right turn on course approved, squawk 0434.
0434, right turn on course approved, 615 Lima Juliet.
Cessna 7 Tango Juliet, there's going to be 1 departure prior to your arrival.
1 departure prior to our arrival, 7 Tango Juliet.
Cirrus 615 Lima Juliet, contact regional 124.3, safe flight.
124.3, thanks for your help, 615 Lima Juliet.
No problem.
Regional approach. Cirrus 615 Lima Juliet, 2100, climbing 2500 with Victor.
Number 615 Lima Juliet, departure radar contact, and for the left downwind runway 16.
Left downwind for 16, 615 Lima Juliet.
Sky clear below 12000. Number 615 Lima Juliet, contact Addison Tower on 126.0. Have a good day.
Have a good night, 615 Lima Juliet. Addison Tower, Cirrus 615 Lima Juliet, 2500.
Cirrus 615 Lima Juliet, Addison Tower, proceed direct the numbers, runway 16, clear to land.
Direct to the numbers, 16, clear to land, 615 Lima Juliet.
And we'll drop that first notch.
Number 615 Lima Juliet, traffic, taking the runway now, Cessna prior to arrival.
All right, we'll look at 615 Lima Juliet, thanks.
Final notch of flaps. Not bad, not bad. Flaps up. Let it roll.
Cirrus 5 Lima Juliet, say parking.
Atlantic.
5 Lima Juliet, turn left at Foxtrot, taxi Atlantic via Alpha, monitor ground, 0.6 on the way.
Foxtrot, Alpha, monitor ground, 615 Lima Juliet. Have a fantastic night.
You too.
And we're done. Boost off, 1,000. After landing, 1,000 feet, boost, idle, flaps are up, did that. Lights, we took care of those already. Pitot heat, we don't have that on, pump is off. Shut down fuel pumps off, idle. Ignition switch, mixture. And we are good to go. Time to shut it all down.